Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the currency power meter indicator for MT4. Okay, now this indicator actually helps traders to identify strong and weak currencies, making it easier to choose the best currency pairs for trading. Okay, so we're just going to be breaking down how it works and how to use it right away. Okay, the currency power meter indicator, I'm going to be adding it to the chart right now. All right, so this is the currency power meter indicator. Okay, it is a tool that measures the strength of individual currencies. All right, you can see that we have a couple of currencies identified here. We have euro, we have the Great British pound, we have the Australian dollar, we have the New Zealand dollar, we have the US dollar, we have the Canadian dollar, we have the Swiss franc, and we have the Japanese yen. All right, so instead of manually analyzing economic factors like interest rates, GDP, or news, this indicator calculates the real-time strength of each currency and displays it using these histograms that are here. All right, so basically wide histogram bars represent currency strength on the daily time frame. All right, while narrow histogram bars show the currency strength on the current time frame. Okay, so you can see when we go to another time frame, you will notice that the narrow bars show a different value from that which is the wide bars, because the wide bars show the strength on the daily time frame. Then any other time frame you go to, the narrow bars are going to show the strength for that particular time frame. For example, for the Japanese yen, you can see that currently on the 5-minute chart, the strength is showing 7.4. It was 7.7, now it changed to 7.4, and then the daily strength is showing 3.9. If we go to the daily time frame, you're going to see that this has also modified to 3.9 because we are on the daily time frame. Okay, so now why is this indicator important? One is that it helps traders avoid weak currency pairs. Okay, if you are looking to trade multiple currency pairs, this indicator can help you to quickly identify those that are weak and those that are strong. So you're going to know, what currency pair to be looking towards selling and that to be looking towards buying. Okay, it saves time by eliminating complex fundamental analysis, and it works on all time frames, as we can see, even though it is best on higher time frames for accuracy. All right, so how do you use the currency power meter for trading? As you can see, this indicator does not give you buy or sell signals. It's more like an indicator that gives you fundamental overview, right? If I'm going to put it that way, it doesn't give you buy or sell signals, but it gives you valuable information with respect to the strength and weakness of a couple of currencies, right? Of some currencies, gives you, valuable information with respect to the strength and weakness of some currencies. Okay, so to maximize the potential of this indicator, just first of all, of course, you have to add the indicator to your chart. It's a custom indicator, but we have discussed how to install custom indicators on MT4 in a previous video, so you might want to check that out if you do not know how to do that. Okay, but basically you just get an indicator from a third-party site and then you add it to your indicators folder, restart your terminal, and then add the indicator to your chart. It's going to display the currency strength histograms. Okay, then what you have to do next is to look at the histograms and find the strongest and the weakest currencies. All right, then you select the currency pair. you can pair a strong currency with a weak currency to create a potential trading setup. For example, if we have let's say CAD, the Canadian dollar, we can see the Canadian dollar seems to be the strongest right now on the 1 hour time frame, and then the GBP seems to be the weakest right now on the 1 hour time frame. So in that case, we could be having a potential good trading setup on GBP CAD. If CAD is strong and GBP is weak, it means that GBP CAD will likely sell. Now let's just quickly go to the 1 hour time frame of the GBP CAD. Let us see if this very quick analysis is going to play out. All right, let's see if this quick analysis is we're going to see it happening on the 1 hour chart. Okay, let's just zoom a bit. Okay, we can see that actually the 1 hour time frame is currently in a sell position, right? It's actually currently in a sell position, although we are seeming like, we seem to have a descending triangle pattern. Okay, in as much as, looking at it from a kind of, looking at it from a wide view, it seems to be, having a prevalence of sell, right? It's as if we had a sell structure here, and something that looks like a breakout took place, and then the sell continued, and then now we are having the formation of a descending triangle pattern, and it's possible that there could be a breakout to the downside again. Okay, so basically, given the structure and given the given what the where is it again? Given what the power currency meter indicator is telling us, there is a chance of uh, a sell move prevailing on the GBP CAD. Okay, so basically, this is just a very quick example, right, that I just showed you right now. So once you have looked at the histograms, and you have found the strongest and weakest currencies, you select a currency pair. Okay, a strong currency pair with a weak currency pair, you pair them together. Sorry, a strong currency. Yeah, you select the currency pair, you select you pair a strong currency with a weak currency to create a potential trading setup. Then, okay, you can now open the currency pairs chart just like I did here, and then you identify, the market structure. You plot your support and resistance levels, trend lines. You watch out for candlestick patterns. You can even add indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages, and the rest of them. Okay, just to get your confirmations. All right, and then you look for trade opportunities in the direction of the setup. All right. Now, what are the things that you should not do with this indicator? Remember that the currency parameter is not an entry or exit indicator. A strong currency does not guarantee an immediate trade. Okay, so always confirm with other technical analysis methods, and scalpers should also be cautious. All right, on lower time frames, high impact news events can create temporary spikes affecting the indicator's accuracy. Okay, so the currency parameter indicator for MT4 is quite a nice tool for analyzing market trends, but it should always be used with other technical analysis methods. Okay, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Forex trading content. Let me know in the comments if you use the currency parameter indicator and how it has improved your trading. See you in the next video, and happy trading.